To the esteemed leaders and students bright, and teachers who guide with unwavering light, we gather today with hearts open wide. Welcome to this gathering where dreams and futures collide.
I welcome our Director Principal, Mrs. Jayashree Churaria, coordinators of the primary section, Shilpa ma'am, Assistant Coordinator, Sanya ma'am, and other teachers as well as our distinguished alumni. We are thrilled to extend our warmest greetings to all the former students of our school. Your accomplishments and success serve as a source of pride for us. We invite you to reconnect to your alma mater and ruminate your old memories while forging new ones. Here's to the cherished bonds we share as members of this wonderful community.
खिले खिले से चेहरे देखने मिले, रोज रोज कहाँ ऐसा नज़ारा मिले। चलो साल में एक बार ही सही, इन लम्हों को फिर से जीने का मौका मिले।
With this lamp's light, we start anew, guided by knowledge and dreams that pursue. Its flame ignites our hope so bright, a symbol of learning and pure and light.
As alumni, you carry this light forward, guiding and inspiring those who follow your footsteps. Let's come together in unity and pray to the Almighty. For the same, I would like to request our members of top management to please come forward and ignite the sacred lamp. And for the same, we have Vishal sir for the prayer. Shilpa ma'am,
Sanya ma'am,
Sanya ma'am,
Sneha ma'am, if you can come forward.
Ankita ma'am, Shreya
सरस्वती
ma'am.
महाभागे विद्ये कमललोचने विश्वरूपे विशालाक्षे विद्यां देहि नमोऽस्तु ते विद्यां देहि नमोऽस्तु ते सरस्वती महाभागे विद्ये कमललोचने विश्वरूपे विशालाक्षे विद्यां देहि नमोऽस्तु ते विद्यां देहि नमोऽस्तु ते
Thank you so much, Vishal sir. We may take our seats. As we embark on this event, we are privileged to have amongst us a leader whose unwavering commitment and continuously promoted an atmosphere of intellectual development and academic accomplishments. Many students and co-workers have been influenced by ma'am throughout her career at GD Goenka, which still continues.
In her leadership, both strength and grace align. A principal whose compassion forever shines, guiding with firmness, yet always aware of each student's journey and the dreams they bear. Our dear alumni and my dear teachers, please join me in welcoming our Director Principal, Mrs. Jayashree Choraria, on the dais. She has personified the qualities of leadership, wisdom, and quality, and been a guiding force in our school community.
Thank you, Nancy. Thank you, Binny. It's so nice to see all my students here. Some of you have grown up. I am not able to even recognize you. Some of you must have been here since your pre-primary classes or from primary classes, and hope you all are doing well, both in your careers as well as humanitarian grounds, how to meet your people, everything includes this particular education. We celebrate not only the achievements of our alumni, but also the enduring spirit of our institution. Welcome back to J.D. Goenka International School, your alma mater, a place where memories were made and foundations for future successes were done. Is it correct? Yes. How many of you feel very elated to be back to school? Very few. Not all. I may know the reason. I can see there all these children, last year they were here with us, and today they are here sitting as alumni, and others also. We are so happy to see you all here with your teachers. I see faces that have journeyed far and wide, carving niches for themselves in various fields. Each of you carry a part of Goenka within you, and in turn, you have left your indelible mark on our institution. Today, we celebrate your journey, your achievements, and values that bind us together. At Goenka, we believe in providing education that goes beyond academics. Our mission has always been to nurture well-rounded individuals who are not only equipped with knowledge, but also the wisdom to apply whenever you are facing the real-life situations and the world around you. We emphasize that education is for knowledge and not just for grades. This belief has been the cornerstone of our educational philosophy, and it gives me immense pride to see how each of you embody this principle in your personal and professional lives. I just now saw one boy coming, touching the feet of his or her teacher. That's such a bliss to see that this is the way we have made our gentlemen and ladies grow and face the world. Your accomplishments are a testament to the dedication, hard work, and perseverance that you have put in over the years. Whether you are a trailblazer in the corporate world, an innovator in technology, a champion of social causes, or a dedicated professional in your chosen field, you have all contributed to making the world a better place. Your success stories inspire our current students, showing them that with determination, the right values, they too can achieve greatness. Children, wherever you are, I will address you as children only when you have become adults. Wherever you are, just be rooted to your values. If you are rooted to your values, nobody can harm you at all. As we move forward, let us remember the essence of education lies not just in the lessons learned within the walls of a classroom, but in the ability to apply these lessons in the world outside. Let us continue to uphold the values of integrity, compassion, excellence, dedication, gratitude that J.D. Goenka stands for. Together, we can ensure that our school remains a beacon of knowledge and cradle of future leaders. In closing, I just want to thank you all for being here today, managing your time. Some of you still have not managed the time and still are awaited, but that's not the way any event should be. You are an integral part of Goenka family. Your achievements are pride and journeys are your subordinates' inspiration. Thank you for this and enjoy the evening. Your teachers have planned it beautifully, so let us all enjoy it with a very less time. It was just one day and they've planned it. Thank you so much.
Much obliged, ma'am. I'm sure the pupils relish the opportunity to hear your wise words again.
Let's have a glimpse of the achievers of yesteryears.
The first one that we have is Rashmi Yadav. She is a BBA scholarship holder, postgraduate rank holder, high rank student in global collaboration course in X Culture, being the new generation taking forward family business, textile, working with national and international brands like Zara, H&M, Superdry, and Berry Lush. Next in line, Navya Setia. She's collaborated with brands such as Zudio and Ikat Story through dancing and modeling, supported local small businesses, including Katha, by modeling for them. Recently performed in a hip-hop event, Desi Hip Hop at Summer Palace, Dumas. Featured in Divya Bhaskar Gujarati newspaper for the performance. Advanced the passion for dancing by teaching at renowned and acclaimed dance studios across India. Currently teaching at Big Dance Center, BTC, in Mumbai. Produced her own videos showcasing dancing and modeling, and has started her journey with ambitions to reach for the stars. That's Navya Sethia. Next in line, we have Zeel Jain. She's there, Sparks Advertising, her own social media marketing and digital marketing agency. She's serving clients globally. Successfully acquired a significant amount of business through organic marketing. We also have Chahat Shah. August 2022, he launched the first store of Swara in Ahmedabad. March 2024, launched the second store of Swara in Mumbai, India's largest lab-grown diamond jewelry store. Best Omni-Channel Brand of the Year, Swara Jewelers, the achievement of 2023. Power of Young Award, Jewelry and Gems Award, Hyderabad. Last by no means the least, we have Shaurya Jindal. He's completed 70 plus model MUN conferences. Student of the Year GDGIS. He served as the Secretary General of GDGIS MUN 2020 to 24. Guinness World Record holder for the Best Speaker, CCC, Rashtriya Bal Bhavan. Black belt in Taekwondo. And finalist of the Harvard University Act to Implant Initiative. The list, of course, is endless. This is just a glimpse of what our students are doing all across the globe.
It gives us great pleasure to welcome Mr. Rishikesh Shah, President of our Alumni Association, to the platform. He has been a pillar of our alumni community, embodying the spirit of our school values and traditions. Please join me in welcoming him. That can be loud.
Thank you, ma'am. I used to be in Miri ma'am's class for economics. ज़्यादा तो मैं सोया ही था, to be very honest with you guys. I'll open the speech with a Gujarati saying, which is "Od Khan is Sonani Khan," which loosely translates into something called "Your net worth is your network." What basically we are the Alumni Association Committee. I'll just tell you a little story, which would sort of help me into making this story into why this is important. I'm a part of Long Island University, which is situated in New York, and Ray Dalio is one of the alumni at Long Island University, and he runs one of the biggest hedge funds, which is Bridgewater Associates. And he happened to come to our university last year just to give a speech like this. And I promise I won't bore you guys into sleeping. Basically, what he did was he signed our books and gave a speech. We shook hands, and he left. My roommate happened to take a photo of us. And when I came here to India, I didn't have any plans of like working a job or anything. So I just went to my nearest HDFC Mutual Fund office. I'm like, can you give me an internship? And he's like, why should I? And then I started off showing him my resume. He grilled me on the resume. And he was like, just tell me what a hedge fund is. And I started off with Bridgewater Associates. And the first name that came to him was Ray Dalio, because my manager was reading his book. And the simple connection which I had, and he thought I was bluffing, to be honest. And I pulled up my phone. I showed him his photo with me on LinkedIn. And he's like, you have the job. What this tells me is the gravity of what alumni connections are. And we have a huge base. I'm pretty sure un logon ne sab bataya tha ki you've got great achievers like Shaurya Jindal and many more on this campus who passed out 10 years back, I think. And what we are here is to act as a bridge to connect you guys to the school management and to connect you with people like Shaurya, people like me, into a field which you might not be able to like have any connections, but we could act as a bridge. And lastly, I would like to, can you switch the slides, please? I'd like to introduce my team. Well, I'll just go. Oh, okay. This is all the faculty alumni association people. It starts off with director principal and goes to HOD Gujarati. And next slide, please. You could reach out to anyone, by the way, to get into contact with us. Just shoot a DM on Instagram for us. Next slide, please. I'm the president for the committee, and it's followed by Krishna, Ishita Podar, Ansha Agrawal, and Durva Pandya, out of which Durva Pandya is here. If you could just stand up. I'm sorry, I'm making you disperse. Thank you. And we also have representatives from like your batches, so people you know, you could just reach out to them, they could reach out to us, and we could be in contact. Can you switch slides, please? I'll just quickly go over all the batches. Chinmay Saraf, who is from the batch of 2013 to 2014, and Palak Dudani. Tanya Sarwag, and Preksha Agrawal. By the way, if any one of you are here, just to stand up, please. I would like the people to know you guys. Chaitanya, and then Kanishka from 2016, 2017. Jeet Desai, Pranay, and Kajal. Tanishka and Shivam. Tanishka and Samart Patel. Vidhi and Manvendra. Tanishk Ashta. Juhi and Nishanki. Nishanki is here. Please stand up, Nishanki. Shaurya and Prisha. I think Prisha is here as well. And Shaurya and Rishit Agrawal. Shaurya, come on. Thank you. Next slide, please. Shaurya has to stand up any which ways. Oh, sorry. I'll have to pass on the mic to ma'am.
Thank you so much, Rishikesh. But when you say you were sleeping in my classes, please specify that was during the lockdown where you were sleeping, right? And I hope you've learned a lot from me as well. That takes it forward. Yeah. So thank you, Rishikesh. It feels great to hear about your journey and your heartfelt association with the school. I'm sure the students will also go forward and come here to share their stories.
At the helm of Youth Vanguard, he leads with grace, a visionary guide in a fast-paced space. With wisdom and passion, he lights up the way, inspiring the youth to seize each new day.
We call upon the director of the Youth Vanguard, Mr. Know-it-all, Mr. Shaurya Jindal. He is certainly one boy who needs no introduction. And I have personally told him quite a few times that it is very difficult to identify whether the school does not want to leave him or he does not want to leave the school. As alumni, you find him in the school so many times with a peppy smile and a respectful greeting and gratitude that certainly makes your day. Let's join our hands one more time for the Shaurya Jindal.
Thank you so much, Benny ma'am, for the kind words, and thank you, Nancy ma'am, for the poem. I mean, that was most definitely very, very, I would say, it felt very good, but a little embarrassing at the same time as well. But circling back to why am I here and why am I speaking to all the esteemed alumni here, to begin with, firstly, I would like to thank all of you to come here because I've seen such some faces that I haven't for so many years, and it's simply lovely to see everyone in this hall all together. So what do I do exactly is I serve as the director of the Youth Vanguard, which is a new initiative that GD Goenka International School Surat has commenced this year. This council forms of current GDGIS students and alumni of GDGIS who come together in order to serve the common interest of the youth of tomorrow, because at the end of the day, the world's problems are what we are getting in our will. So since we have to inherit those issues, the Youth Vanguard is trying to make the entire youth population within the city capable of handling those issues in the future. And that is why Firstly, to begin with, all alumni of GDGIS are most welcome to join the Youth Vanguard as its members, as its advisors, and even among leadership positions. All you need to do is simply apply through the links already, which will be provided in your WhatsApp groups. Now, with the perspective of what activities we actually get into, our primary function as of now is organizing the GD Goenka International School Model United Nations, which stands at the helm of teaching children diplomacy and consensus, which helps them become better people and, more than that, responsible citizens. The GDGIS MUN, which is taking place on 9th, 10th, and 11th August, and is being organized by the students of this very school, will have more than 650 students from across the country, from across the globe, more than 30 schools, more than 10 universities across 8 different educational boards. That is the amount of diversity, that is the amount of differences and unique perspectives that we are going to cater to this year. And for that, I would also like to use this opportunity to extend a welcome to all alumni who wish to attend GDGIS MUN and witness what is exactly happening and how are we shaping young minds of tomorrow. For that, all you need to simply do is inform us that you will be present on the days of the conference, which is 9th, 10th, and 11th August, within the next 2 to 3 days, and we will make preparations for your arrival for sure. So if at all you wish to join the Youth Vanguard, become a part of the change and actually join this fabulous, fabulous vision put into place by Director Principal Ma'am, where we are trying to make a change by putting children at the center of everything, by handing them responsibility that usually does not happen until when we have our own companies or have our own businesses. So with that exact perspective, if you wish to join us, please do so, and we'll be waiting for you at GDGIS MUN this August. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shaurya. You never fail to impress us with your words as well as deeds. GD Goenka is proud to have you as an alumni.
मूविंग ऑन, अंताक्षरी का ये खेल है निराला, गीतों की मस्ती में खो जाता है सुनने वाला, मौका मिले हर बार अपनी धुन सुनाने का, सबके चेहरे पे खिलखिलाती हंसी लाने का, कभी कभी शब्द न मिले तो मन में खलबली मचती है, लेकिन यही तो इस खेल की असली मस्ती है। तो आइए मिलकर गाए एक गीत ताल में, अंताक्षरी का आनंद ले सुरों के इस जाल में। With so much being said and done, let's now begin our musical journey for the evening. For the same, I would like to invite on stage our very talented teachers, Meghna ma'am and Shweta ma'am. Over to you.
A very good evening to all my alumni. So we are going to start today with Fantakshri for all of you, right? So before we start, let me tell you about the rules. So there will be the 5 rounds and there are 4 teams. So there, for your easiness in Antakshri, your one PVA teacher will be there, constant with you. But for every round, we are going to select 2 alumni and 1 teacher, right? So for every round, the participants will change, and whatever team A, team B, team C, team D, whosoever is the winner at the end, 16 people will be getting as a winner. Fine. So first round is just an normal Antakshri round, followed by second round, which will be a word round. Third round will be Rishta round, in which you are going to take a chit. So what is Rishta round? We will be letting you know afterwards. After that, there will be a buzzer round. There will be a music played, and the team, whosoever is there, is going to hit the buzzer, and you have to identify the song. And last will be Antara Mukhda. Fine?
So, all dear alumni, once again I welcome you all. And as you can see that we have set up 4 tables, we are going to call 4 PVA members because we need somebody very strong in the team, right? So, in team, the first team will be, we're blessed to have Mr. Chaitanya Bhanawala, our PVA coordinator. And in second team, we would have Vishal sir, our vocal trainer with such a melodious and sweet voice. So Vishal sir is going to be in team 2. And they are going to be the permanent members for this Antakshari. And rest of the members, we will keep on changing for every round. And In the third team, we will have Naveen sir. So this is team Chaitanya. That would be the team Vishal. And third team will be team Naveen. And team 4 will be team Pathik. So we have Pathik sir also. So team 1, 2, 3 and 4. So Pathik sir, you there? Naveen sir, team 3. Yes. So Drishti and Janvi are going to take care of the scores. The round 1 is medley relay. But before that, I have to call the alumni. So any 4 of you quickly come and join us for the wonderful round of Antakshri. I could see somebody has stood up. 8 of you, not 4. 8 of you. Come on, children. Come on. Yes, boys and girls. Yes, I can see my dear students coming up.
So you two be here. This team. 2 of you can be in this team.
Yes, 2 here, 2 here. And come on, we need 4 more. I guess no, yes, we need 3 more. So please take your seats and set your team up. Yes, 3 more students quickly. Yes, come. Quickly join. You are all right. You don't have to face towards your back towards them. You got to sit like this so that you can face the audience. We need 2.
So in second round, you people come in second round.
No, we have this as well. You come in second round.
Second round, now second round.
You sit here. Okay. Okay, fine. Second round then.
We will call you for the second round.
Yes. And 1 alumni, only 2. We have 5 rounds, so you'll be getting chance. And we need quickly 4 teachers. Come on, teachers. Come and join. Come on, join the team. Team Chaitanya. You have the choice, first come, first serve. You will have the choice if you're going to come first. Either Team Chaitanya or Team Vishal or Team Naveen and Pathik. Quickly, Shreya ma'am has reached and she's going to make a safe choice. Everybody is strong though. Yes, Rhythm ma'am is going to join Vishal sir. And come on, teachers. I will be hosting, otherwise I would have been the first one to join. Yes, 2 more teachers. See, there is a recommendation from the students. Still, I could see Kruti ma'am and 1 student has spoken. Vardhan sir, probably sir must have you must have sung some songs during, the maths classes. They must have listened, the melodious voices. Yes, we have the 4th participant. Rajni ma'am and Kruti ma'am has joined Team Naveen. Yes, so
Come, Shweta
here we
ma'am.
go
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
the
Hello.
first round. That is going to be
No, let us first finalize which is team A, team B, team C, and team D. So that is
Team A, Team B, Team C, Team D.
Okay.
1,
so,
2, 3, 4.
Fine. Come. So me and Shweta ma'am will start a song, and in whatever word we get over, you are going to sing. Yeah, mic will be given.
So mics on each table. Please check your mics if it is working.
Okay, first round is a simple Antakshari round. Please pay attention. There will be the 2 rounds. 2 circles will be there and 10 marks for each song. But a time limit is there. We are just going to give you 10 seconds to sing. Not more than that. Yeah. And for every song, it's 10 marks. Is that clear? The scores, team Janvi and Drishti. Fine? You ready? Fine. Okay.
गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं
It's not a buzzer round.
गुनगुनाता है ये गगन गा रहा है ये सारा आलम
Zooby-Doo. Zubi dubi pam para, zubi dubi param pam. Zubi dubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man. Zubi dubi pam para, zubi dubi param pam. Zubi dubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man. Na. Pagal stupid man. Na.
नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर ए दिल तू बता रे
है मेरे हम सफर है मेरी जाने जा है मेरे हम सफर है मेरी जाने जा
जा ए मेरी जाने जा जान ओके
नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ देश का सिपाही हूँ बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद
देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए दूर तक निगाह में दिल खिले हुए
ये गिला है आपकी निगाहों से दूर भी हो दरमिया तो फासले हुए देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए
Audience, please don't help them. They don't.
ऐ मेरे हम सफर एक जरा इंतजार सुन सदाएं दे रही है मंजिल प्यार की
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं तुझे जमी पे
वेरी स्मार्ट तुझे जमीन पे प प
पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो जीवन मीठी प्यास तुम कहती हो पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो हाँ
हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना
All right, big round of applause. So here all four teams have successfully, they have sung all 2 songs. So I would like to know the score. What is the score? Come and announce.
So we have 20 each and we have given names to each team. So the team 1, Sunidhi Chauhan. Team B, Kishore Kumar. Team C, Shreya Ghoshal. And team 4, Arijit Singh. So we have 20 each.
So I would request the participant to move now. Others will join except for the PVA team. PVA team teachers will be there. Yeah. Now I invite rest 8 alumni to please come for the round 2. Quickly. Come on, quickly, don't think, otherwise I will be calling you as a teacher then. Then you have to come. 8 alumni.
Swara is here. Yeah, she's here.
Come on, quickly, and next 8 should be ready as well. And of course, 4 teachers voluntarily who wants to participate. Quickly, 4 teachers. Okay, this is the word round. So we have few words. You are going to take one chit from this and you have to sing. Now this round, if you are unable to unable to sing the song on the chosen word, it can be passed to another team. Again, for every song, 10 marks. Clear? No, it should be in Mukhra. The song should be in Mukhra. It's like that. 10 seconds only to think. Okay. Team Sunidhi. No issues. We will update tomorrow.
Mosam. Can
What is Mosam?
E minor. E minor. E minor. ये रात ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा ये रात ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा
Only 10 seconds. The word is Jhootha for them. Should we start counting? Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2.
सच्चा कहो चाहे झूठा कहो हमको है मंजूर हमसे गलती हो गई
हमका माफी दे दो हमसे गलती हो गई हमका माफी दे दो. Great. The word is sharbat.
शरबत F मैं रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी मैं रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी मुझे तुझ में घोल दे तो मेरे यार बात बन जानी मैं रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी
Nana. Right? Nana. The word is Nana.
तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे नैनों की चाल है मखमली हाल है I don't know further I don't know this much ऐसे नैनों की बातों में कोई क्यों ना आए हो तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना राहें सजा दे मोर यू वांट तेरे नैना.
We will continue with the same. Okay, so second round is over and what's the score? Okay, again it's equal for all. So thus we are giving this chance to the same team to continue with the third round, right? So the same team will continue and our third round is, Shweta ma'am, Rishta round. Ma'am will explain.
Third round is Bandhan Rishton Ka. So in this round, you will get a chit in which a relationship would be written. You have to sing a song based on that relationship. So you're going to get your chits very soon. So think of all the relationships the Bollywood has created songs for. Yes, here is Janvi. Okay, let's see that which rishta they choose. चैतन्य है तो क्या गम है, मतलब सब आता है. Relation with God they have got. Shilpa ma'am, that's not fair. Now they
E
cannot
major.
sing that song.
E
You
major.
will not
I'm
sing
not
that
gonna
song.
sing that song
Yes.
anyways. E major.
Yes.
E. Anyways. Or minor. एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा. हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह, ये पुकार सुन ले. हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह, हे दाता. That's it.
Very nice. Let's see which rishta the team Kishore chooses. Teacher and student. What a lovely relationship they have got. Got to think a song. Any song which, describes about.
I don't know how many of you know this, but let me sing. Let me try. प्यार के इस तीर ने दोनों को घायल कर दिया, खुद भी पागल हो गए, तुमको भी पागल कर दिया. स ओ स we love you.
So we can say we are like-minded people, mad people. So Shagun has
Friend,
chosen.
okay.
Friend, an easy one. Yes.
We can take ये दोस्ती and जी लेते हैं.
ये लोग गाते ही नहीं.
Okay.
Public is demanding Shagun. Shagun, you should not disappoint them. Come on, sing.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
I guess everybody should have sung that. Yes.
Parent and child.
ये तो सच है कि भगवान है, कि मगर फिर भी अनजान है. धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का उस विधाता की पहचान है. ये तो सच है कि भगवान है.
Yeah. So, what's the score? Please tell. Equal again. Thank you so much, the participants. Now we would call another 8 alumni for round 4 and the coordinators. Now please, there are coordinators. So Shilpa ma'am, Ankita ma'am, Hetal ma'am, assistant coordinators and coordinators.
Yes, our dearest alumni, this evening has been set up for you. So I request everyone to come up on the stage, otherwise we are bound to take your names. Then it. So come on, everyone. So we need 2 alumni here.
So let's start. Now this is the 4th round.
All teams, please pay attention. This is a buzzer round. You have one iPad in front of you. If you press the
I
buzzer,
don't know.
then you would be given the first chance to sing a song. And this round is Antara Mukhra round. So if it be we would be singing Mukhra, you have to sing Antara, and if Antara, then you have to sing Mukhra. All right? You have to, yeah. And there would be no compromise in the lyrics. You cannot fumble with that. Yes, so for the team, for the first team, we are going to...
It's not for first team.
Okay, it's open. Yes, 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 yes. My bad. Okay, this is a song which me and sir would be singing.
Is the buzzer working?
Just check your buzzers. Check your buzzers by then. Yeah. We acknowledge the presence of our Director Operations, Mrs. Sejal Thakkar. Okay, are you ready? Is the buzzers working? Everybody's? Okay. So we are going to sing the song. You have to sing the complete antara.
Press the buzzer. They
Any
are singing
negative marks?
Mukhra. If you are aware about the Antara, then only you have to press the buzzer.
Any negative marks?
No negative marks. No negative marks.
Okay.
See, it's so spontaneous that we are deciding it now, but nevertheless, yes.
ना रहे हम महका करेंगे बन के कली बन के शबा बागे वफा में
रहे ना रहे.
हाँ बस
Some easy song.
Anybody?
No.
रहे ना रहे हम think महका करेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में रहे ना रहे हम.
I only know
No.
first word. मौसम कोई हो. I only know this much only.
No. This one word will not work. So it's a nobody knows? No, half point. Nobody knows that? All right. Anybody in the audience would like to try the antara of this song? The lover of the old songs. Anybody? Nobody. It's such a famous number. Okay. मौसम कोई हो रंग बन के नंगनी
मौसम कोई हो इस चमन में रंग बन के रहेंगे हम खिजा में चाहत की खुशबू यूं ही जुल्फों से उड़ेगी रिज़ा हो या बहार.
Yes, it was an old number. We got to keep some tough songs also. Now,
Okay. No, it's okay. We will sing it. Fine. Now there is an Antara and you have to identify the Mukhra. Fine? Okay. देख लो हमको करीब से.
I pressed it. पहले पूरा गा तो लो. अरे पहले एक दो लाइन तो गाओ. गजब का है दिन देखो जरा ये गिव अस अ स्केल. नो जी गजब का है दिन देखो जरा ये दीवानापन देखो जरा तुम हो अकेले हम भी अकेले मजा आ रहा है कसम से या
Yeah. Now next. लो जीत गए तुम हमसे. Anybody has clicked? Yes.
कब तक चुप बैठे
अब तो कुछ है बोलना. कुछ तुम बोलो कुछ हम बोले ओ ढोलना. मन जाना था ये भेद नहीं था खोलना. ओ ढोलना ओ ढोलना.
Okay, we are singing.
बनाती है जो तू
Be president.
वो
Sunidhi
यादें-
Chauhan.
Sunidhi
Yeah, our
Chauhan.
team.
I think they, yeah.
Hawaii,
You have to sing the
Hawaii,
Mukra.
Hawaii.
They have played Push the
What?
Buzzer.
Sunidhi
They
Chauhan
have-
is our team.
But they are singing. They are yet singing. Who pressed the buzzer first?
We president.
Okay, they pressed the buzzer first, so chance would be given to them. Quickly sing the song. You cannot Google it. Come
no,
on.
No, we are not Googling it. Come on, trust us. Give me B chord. मुझको किसी का नहीं
शब्द गायब हो गया.
किसी का नहीं.
Wrong lyrics. Wrong. This is not correct. This is not correct.
Can we-
Sadly, Sunidhi
can we-
Chauhan team.
मुझको अब मुझको या तुझको मैं किसी और को डेडिकेट
Okay, but it's wrong. Lyrics got.
These are the
तुझको
wrong-
रख ले वहाँ. It's not the lyrics.
Wrong
Come on,
lyrics.
no. There will be no compromise. in the
Creativity.
lyrics. No.
On the spot.
Creativity not required here. So who praised? Okay, Arijit Singh was one.
तुझको मैं रख लो यहाँ जहाँ पे कहीं है मेरा यकीन. मैं जो तेरा ना हुआ किसी का नहीं, किसी का नहीं. ले जाए जाने कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं. बेगानी है ये बातें हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं. ले जाए जाने कहाँ ना मुझको खबर ना तुझको पता. वो
Okay, moving towards the last round, which is the music round. एक धुन बजेगी, and you have to identify. हाँ,
Scores.
with the same team.
Scores.
Continue. Scores, yeah.
They are
So
ahead.
let's keep the secret
marks.
scores. We are not announcing the
Plus
scores
10.
now. No, it is from the console, right? Okay. Yeah. Yes. So on console, it's a buzzer round. A music will be played, and you have to put the buzzer, and you please be alert, right? Yeah. The first music.
No, but पहले score तो.
No, score is a secret.
अरे.
We are not announcing.
Okay,
yeah.
okay, chalo,
Again the
fine.
buzzer. Yeah. From console, Neve.
We cannot hear.
Louder.
We press it.
Sunidhi Chauhan.
शामें मलंग सी.
Play the music also from there.
रातें सुरंग सी. वादी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए. इलाही मेरा जी आए आए.
Second dun. Again they only.
We press it. Who pressed
They
it?
are faster than you. This is what
यार
we...
तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग जग पे इश्क सिखा.
Play the song as well.
It is about recognizing the tune. Forget about lyrics. Tumi o bandu.
No. Complete lyrics, yes. Lyrics, there's no compromise in lyrics.
You did not tell us about the lyrics. Previous
Play the
round
music. Now.
I cannot hear. 1, 2, 3. यार तेरे सर पे इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग जग पे इश्क सिखा मैं तो यार तेरे सर पे इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग जग पे इश्क सिखा जब याद करे करवा मेरी मुझे प्यार हुआ इस दुनिया की जब मुझ पे लगाए पाबंदी मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की तुम्हें दिन चढ़े तुम्हें दिन अरे तुम्हें हो बंधु सखा तुम्हें प्रीतम.
Okay, third dun. Third. Kishore Kumar. Kishore Kumar. Stop. No.
Yes.
Arjit Singh is next.
Yes.
Go. Arjit Singh.
Can you play the music?
Play the music.
हाँ है कोई तो वजह जो जीने का मजा क्यों आने लगा हवाओं में है क्या थोड़ा सा जो नशा क्यों छाने लगा देखो ना देखो मुझे क्या हुआ है तेरी
It is पूछो, not देखो.
बाहों में आकर
देखो ना देखो मुझे क्या हुआ है तेरी बात
There's some problem in the lyrics.
Correct
Yeah?
lyrics.
Okay. Academics, no? Huh? Sejal ma'am, see? Academics.
Correct lyrics.
Don't be jealous, Chaitanya sir.
Fourth dun. Fourth
Not
dun.
allowing your members also to
Okay,
sing at all.
wait, let us hear.
Fourth dun. Shreya. Stop. It's on.
They played?
Next is Arijit.
दिल वालों
I pressed it.
मेरा
We pressed it, no?
सुनने को बेकरार है कहो ना प्यार है कहो ना प्यार है हाँ तुमसे प्यार है कि तुमसे प्यार है
Stop and now next
There's
dun.
some issue with this buzzer. We pressed it first.
No issues.
There is some issue. She was pointing towards us, ma'am.
Okay, now next dun. Okay. Arijit Singh. Stop. Music stop.
Yeah, it's very low. The volume is really low. Can you increase the volume from upstairs?
म्यूजिक नहीं देंगे आपको नो so yes you it goes to you people you tell me
दिल ये मेरा. Is it that? No.
no third okay so now we will sing what is
No, we should change the song.
no why change the start the music but
Wait
we
a
will
minute.
sing.
There's some green button in the buzzer.
तुझे तक तकते रहना तेरी बक बक बक
सुनते रहना, काम काज सब भूल भुला के तेरे पीछे पीछे चलते रहना। ये तो है बेस्ट ऑफ टाइम,
क्या है?
लव इज अ बेस्ट ऑफ टाइम।
Okay, okay, stop.
प्यार प्यार बेस्ट।
Now next, all ready with the buzzers? Check. Everyone, please check your buzzers.
Okay.
Okay, next dun. Stop the music.
Sunidhi Chauhan, it's we. Okay, Saint sir, please C major. 1, 2, 3, go. कहते हैं खुदा ने इसे जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उसे रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता। तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है, जीने की वजह यही है मरना इसी के लिए।
Okay, now this will be the last dun. Yes, play.
Oh wait. Same song. It's not happening. I'm pressing it.
Next dun.
ये तो स्टार्टिंग का है। It's not.
Yes. Stop. चलो.
नौजवानों बात मानो,
Music.
कभी किसी से न प्यार करना। पुकार मूवी,
Yeah.
पुकार मूवी। एक सरा जो भी हो सो हो, हमें प्यार का हुआ सरा, फिर चाहे जो। I think this is enough.
Yeah. So the game is over now. We will call for the score. Come.
कौन सा माइक?
Where is Shreya Ghoshal? Shreya Ghoshal. So team Shreya. 0.
Oh my God.
These are the marks for this particular round.
All right.
Shreya Ghoshal stands at 40.
Yeah, good.
Kishore Kumar. 40. Shreya Ghoshal. It's done. 1 minute. Arijit Singh. 80. Huge round of applause. Then we have Sunidhi Chauhan. Guesses? 90 winner. Sir, इस पे एक song.
मेरा परफॉर्मेंस तो पता नहीं, अभी सॉन्ग तो होगा तब।
एक song. जीतने पे. Winning song.
बोलो। Any song? ना।
Something on Jeet.
जीत।
Yes.
हाँ।
It could be Meri Jang song.
I'll sing a motivational song. तेरी वो रफ्तार हो, रोके से भी तू ना रुके, हासिल कर ऐसा शिखर नजरें उठे आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी Thank you.
Yes. I would say picture abhi baki hai. We have a wonderful performance by the PVA department. We are going to have it. But for now, I would like to call all the participants, those who were the part of Team Chaitanya, for the felicitation. Come on quickly. Irrespective of the rounds, I would request our Director of Operations, Mrs. Sejal Thakkar, to kindly come upon the stage. Sejal ma'am will hand over the souvenirs. Yes. Come on, give them a huge round of applause.
Okay. Fantakshari was indeed fun. I hope you all enjoyed. Yes, at least say yes. Great. So अंताक्षरी एक ऐसा खेला है जो जनरेशन टू जनरेशन पास होता रहता है. So get together हो या from get together से लेकर ट्रैवलिंग तक, रफ़ी साहब से लेके अरिजीत तक, अंताक्षरी चला है और चलता ही रहेगा. So thank you Meghna ma'am and Shweta ma'am for making it fun.
Moving ahead, we would like any alumni who wants to come and speak on the stage, any of your experience, anything that you miss about the school.
Hi everyone. I don't know how many of you know me because we were back in the past. After that 3, 4, 5 series of this school has released. It's like every next episode of some TV show, I think, according to me. So the most epic thing that I remember is there were 3 boys when I was in the school. इन लोग की वजह से मैंने मेरी क्लासेस बहुत मिस की है बिकॉज इन तीनों को रोज सुबह मुझे सिर्फ रन करवाने के लिए वेट करना पड़ता था. दे वुड कम लेट एवरी डे. वन ऑफ देम इज स्टिल हियर And so every day in the first morning class, I was the head girl back then. I had to wait outside just to take revenge on these people because they were never on time. So every day 8:15 after the assembly, I would stand and wait for these people. And हम 10 राउंड मारते थे. मैं मस्त बैठी रहती थी और इनको मैं 10 राउंड मरवाती थी. So I think it's not just a thing that is memorable for me, it is also memorable for him. You want to come? You want to share your experience? But overall, I think this was a very nice place where we all grew up. It was a place where we were safe, but we were also learning a lot of things. I hope we had much more interaction than people are having today, because I feel everyone's so techno savvy and in their own world, they have lost their touch with whatever it was to be with teachers and just learn from them. Hopefully, touch wood, it is still here. I still see Nancy ma'am, I see Sneha ma'am, I see Shruti ma'am, and I just want to go touch their feet, hug them. कि मैम मैंने कुछ किया है लाइफ में, आपकी सिर्फ क्लास बंक नहीं करी है. So I hope everyone can share the same emotion, but nothing top of my head that pops right now. There's like an array of memories, but as of now, of course, it's very irrelevant for everyone who's sitting here because everyone had their own memories in time. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Thank you, Kajal. We also miss all our students, those who have passed, and they are leading their lives successfully somewhere. Okay, time now for a speech by our HODs. So we are honored to have people who have been more than just a teacher. They have been a mentor, a guide, and a friend to countless students. Their dedication, passion, and commitment to education has left an indelible mark on so many lives. It's with great pleasure that we welcome them. And to begin with, we have HOD Science, Dr. Shruti Agarwal, followed by Mr. Bilal Fayaz, HOD Commerce. Can we hear it loud for them? Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm so happy to see you all back again to school. Big round of applause to all of yourselves. It's my 9th year here, and I'm so very happy to see my tiny tots, my first batch 2016, wherein I was the class teacher of 10C, and I can see those faces, Tanisha Agarwal, Ashish Sancheti, Master Shikon. I mean, all of them are there. Please raise your hands. Where are they? Hi. So I have that special memory with all of you. Along with it, with each passing years, I have seen so many of you coming on my way, and it has always been a great learning, from each and every child. And today, the first time when we all are meeting together, I don't have words to express actually how am I feeling exactly, but yes, it is really a very special moment for all of us, for you people meeting all your teachers in so many years. And many of you might be missing most of your teachers who are not there. But I would just say, wherever you are right now, as I used to say earlier also, give your best, be the best. We all miss you. On every Teacher's Day, every Guru Purnima, when I get a message from any of my child, maybe I taught them 9 years back, 10 years back, or maybe 6, 7 years back, it gives a lot of happiness, You really feel very blessed that you're into this profession where your kids still remember you. So, earnest request from each one of you, wherever you go, whichever part of the world, please stay connected. Stay connected amongst yourself, for which we have conducted this kind of meet, as well as I would say, please stay connected with your teachers. We really miss you, we really love you, and we would be very happy to see you growing. We would be very happy to see you successful, to be happy and everything. So wish you all the very best from my end. Thank you so much. Now I request Bilal sir to please come and share his views.
Good evening everyone. I expected little louder. Okay, I heartily welcome you all back to school. And when I look at you all, believe me, all my small memories of my classroom, I can just recall them. be it Dhairya, be it Himanshu, be it any one of my each and every particular year. But yes, I'm growing old, may have forgotten your name, so please don't mind that. But I remember all your memories by face. Now, just few things I would like to share when I am looking at you all. Before we start up with anything, can we have a big round of applause for each and every achievements which you have done till date? A little louder now. That's your achievement. I think we can expect a louder clap for that. All our wishes are always with you. Just giving wishes is what we can do. And sometimes suggestions, sometimes a solution, sometimes it is sitting with you till the stay back time for making you do things. But more than that, when we look at you, believe me, in the years which I have completed teaching, since I started teaching in school or I started teaching the better word, when I look at you, this is what I have earned when I was standing there and my students, they call me, "Arey sir, tamara to age thai gaya, jo tamara dadi." My students said this. But when I look at you, I remember you, maybe not by name, but when you all call my name, when you are calling me from the behind, believe me, that gives me what I have earned till date. And my memories are intact in my heart. Many a times, just the names we forget, but the memories are memories. We don't have an alternative for that. The treasures are the memories. And when you are here in school, after so many years, when you go down, you remember, I just went down, I saw 4 or 5 students. They were just sitting on the floor and they were looking at the photos on that alumni ka board. I look at them, I did not recognize who they are. I asked them, how many years after, since how many years you have not come to school? They said 10. Then I understood, no, I don't know them because I completed 9. So they were looking at small photos. So this is how, what I see people remember their time. This meet is to bring you all together so that the school has a very strong base for whenever we need something in the future from the students for a particular, suggestion or to show you as an example to people, we have a whole team ready. That's all from my side. Once again, I congratulate you all for all the achievements which you have done till date and counting, still counting, and maybe they are endless. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Indeed, if we talk about school, the talk will go endless. Moving on, music. As always, music is the universal language of humanity, transcending barriers and bringing people together in harmony and joy. Without much ado, let's give a warm welcome to the PVA department as they take the stage for a splendid musical performance. Sit back, relax, and let the magic of music transport you to the world of melody and rhythm. Please join me in welcoming the PVA department with a huge round of applause. A huge round of applause. For the vocals, we have Naveen sir, Vishal sir, Pathik sir, and Chaitanya sir, with Karthik sir on drums, Hen sir on keyboard, and Naveen sir with the guitar.
पधारो मारे देश रे केसरिया बालम आवो नी पधारो मारे देश बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा कहीं, एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा कहीं, वहाँ दास्तां मिली लम्हा यहाँ कहीं नहीं, थोड़ा सा हंसा के थोड़ा सा रुला के, पल ये भी जाने वाला है। हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है। हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल ये जो जाने वाला है। ओ आने वाला पल दूर रहती हो तू मेरे पास आती नहीं, होठों पे तेरे कभी प्यास आती नहीं। ऐसा लगे कि जैसे कि तू हंस के कोई जहर पिए जाए, शाम मस्ताने मदहोश किए जा, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा। ये शाम मस्ताने मदहोश किए जा, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे मेरी ओर लिए जा, लिए जा, लिए जा।
I'm going to perform one of my original songs, and I composed this song 10 years back when I was in a college, engineering college last year. और कैसा था कि अभी मैं भी मैसेज करता हूँ मेरे फ्रेंड्स को वापस से मिलने के लिए कभी कहीं पे, सो वही चीज़ होती है, बार बार खो गए हैं वो लोग, एंड आई होप आपके वाले जो फ्रेंड्स हैं वो रिप्लाई देते होंगे अच्छे से। सो आई कंपोज दिस सॉन्ग 10 years बैक, एंड इसका जो कंक्लूजन है मैंने थोड़ा सा चेंज किया है, इट इज़ हैप्पी नाउ, स्टार्टिंग वॉज लिटिल सैड। सो इस सॉन्ग से आप सभी जितने भी हैं यहाँ पे, नॉट ओनली स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स भी अपने फ्लैशबैक को याद कर सकते हैं।
खो से गए हो तुम, मिलते नहीं हो तुम, आंखें भी नम है अब, बातें भी कम है अब। हाँ, सुनाई नहीं देती, दिखाई नहीं देती, तेरी मेरी दोस्ती, तेरी मेरी दोस्ती। सुनाई नहीं देती, दिखाई नहीं देती, तेरी मेरी दोस्ती, तेरी मेरी दोस्ती। कब से इंतजार है, खोया हुआ मेरा यार है, परछाइयाँ भी ये पूछती है। हाँ, सुनाई नहीं देती, दिखाई नहीं देती, तेरी मेरी दोस्ती, तेरी मेरी दोस्ती।
So now this is the conclusion of the song. It's the last paragraph. मैं थोड़ा चेंज किया आज के लिए।
जानता हूँ तुम मिलोगे जिंदगी के, हम सफर बनोगे, लौट आओ ना मेरे यार, गुनगुनाओ ना
दिखाई भी है देती तेरी मेरी दोस्ती, तेरी मेरी दोस्ती सुनाई भी है देती, दिखाई भी है देती तेरी मेरी दोस्ती, तेरी मेरी दोस्ती।
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
नयन तरसे, नयन तरसे, तरस न मिले, नयन तरसे, नयन तरसे, नयन तरसे, दूरों से न मिले, नयन तरसे। हर ये पत्नी नयन तरसे, तरसे, तरसे रे, बिसर गए किथे, बिसर गए किथे, फिर हमें जल जल पल हो गए बदल, स्वाहा स्वाहा हे 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 हे, बिसर गए किथे, बिसर गए किथे, सुनहरी ये दिन काली रात में गए डल, राम 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 रे। Can you slightly increase the volume? Guys, please sing along with me if you know this song, because I don't know the lyrics. दिन को रात कहेगी तो मैं रात कहूँ, तेरे दिल दुखा दे जो ऐसी ना बात करूँ, एक शिकन भी माथे पे आए मेरी जान ले लूँगा, तेरी सारी बलाएं मेरी जान तेरी आई मैं मर जावा, जिंदड़ी राम तेरे कर जावा, सोने सोने तेरी आई मैं मर जावा, जिंदड़ी नाम तेरे कर जावा, सोने ओ सोने। लग जाए तू लोग बाप बच जाए, लड़ मरेंगे लोग आग लग जाए। हो सवाल कोई भी तू जवाब लगे, बचपन की कहानी तू कोई ख्वाब लगे, तेरा दिल जो दुखाए उसे पाप लगे, प्यारे इतने तू मुझे पंजाब लगे। वो फराज की किताब पढ़ती है, वो तितलियां साथ रखती है, जब कंधे पे मेरे वो हाथ रखती है, उस प्यारे को खोने नहीं दूंगा, तुझसे जुदा मैं कभी होने नहीं दूंगा। खुशी की आंसू और बात है, लेकिन तुझको मैं वैसे कभी रोने नहीं दूंगा। Can you recognize the song? पलकों में तेरे खो दिल ले जावे, अंबरा भी गुला गुला सा लागे, बस तेरे नाल वे। कैसी है लगदी कमाल तेरी अखियां गुलाब के ना जावे साडा प्यार तन्नू छड्ड के हो जावे तेरा ही दीदार ते कोई ना संभाल एवे पावे साडा प्यार तू छड्ड के कैसी है लगदी कमाल तेरी अखियां गुलाब के ना जावे साडा प्यार तन्नू छड्ड के हो जावे तेरा ही दीदार ते कोई ना संभाल एवे पावे साडा प्यार तू छड्ड के तू दस की नहीं कि ये सच मेरे दिल हे राता नू दस मैनू नींद क्यों ना आवे तू ठीक है कि नहीं मेरा चित्त घबरावे क्यों इन्नी परवाह ना दे तू दगा मेरे दिल की था मैं गुनाह जरा हालत सुना मेरे भटकते दिल क्यों देती सी पना क्यों एनी परवाह ना देवी तू दगा मेरे दिल नू कौन ही है तू तावे लगे मैनू दूर सोचा क्यों मैं था कोई गल ते जरूर जरा पूछ के तू दस की नहीं कि ये सच मेरे दिल नू
The last ride.
King. तू आके देख ले ओ मैंने रात कितनी सारी तेरी यादों में गुजारी सोनिए सोनिए लोग कहते हैं बेचारा जरा पूछो तो क्यों हारा जब प्यार मिला ने तो दिल का कत्ल कर नाम बना डाला ये झूमता आवारा कैसे जीता चला जरा बेखौफ निगाह मेरी झांक के देखो तो ताज बना डाला पर तेरे आगे कुछ भी नहीं सब खाक बराबर मैं खो जाऊंगा मिलके मुझसे बात करा कर पर तेरे आगे कुछ भी नहीं सब खाक बराबर मैं खो जाऊंगा मिलके मुझसे बात करा कर कि तू मेरी आंखों में पूरी जचती और तेरे सिवा कोई अच्छा लगता नहीं ये दुनिया वाले निकाले ना कमी मैं अपने ऊपर ले लूं तेरी सारी गलती और मिट जाएंगे ये फासले बन जाएंगे नए काफिले ओ पास तू तो आती ढंग से सांस नहीं चिड़चिड़ा सा रहता हूँ मैं लगता कुछ भी खास नहीं जब से मरने लगे है तुझ पे बचने की कोई आस नहीं मेरी जिंदगी में आई जब से वाइब ही बदल गई घूमता था मैं आवारा लाइफ सी संभल गई दुनिया मेरी डार्क सी में लाइट सी एक जल गई मेरी बातों में दिल खो सा गया मेरी रातों में दिल खो सा गया प्यार कहते जिसको फाइनली वो हो सा गया फाइनली 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 रहना पहले से शायद समझ में कुछ ना आए बोलो ना क्या किया जाए आंखों से नींद है गायब खुश मैं इतना क्यों हूँ तुझको तो वजह में क्यों दूँ जाने क्या हुआ मुझे तेरे प्यार में चमकू जैसे जुगनू this song, and probably it's gonna be out on all social media platform very soon, probably by end of this year, maybe. जब देखा तुझे मैंने, चाहा तुझे दिल ने, दो अनजाने कहाँ हुए, इस लम्हे में गुम हो गए, दिल न लगे तेरे बिना जाऊं मैं कहाँ, कोई समझ आए, कोई ये बताए कितना तुझे मैं चाहूँ ना। ओ सुकून मिला जब मुझे तू मिला, रूह को ये एहसास हुआ, हो दिन चाहे रात छोड़ू ना तेरा साथ, ये वादा है मेरा। वालम मारा शामें कई गुजरी, अपनी बातें नहीं रुकी, यकीन हो गया है मुझे, बेइंतहा प्यार है हमें, दिल न लगे तेरे बिना जाऊं मैं कहाँ, सबको पता है मुझे क्या हुआ है, कितना तुझे मैं चाहूँ ना। वालम मारा वालम, वालम वालम मारा वालम, वालम Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Chaitanya sir. Thank you to the entire PVA department. The performance was truly fantastic. Time to wind up. Everything that begins has to come to an end. Thank you to the entire team of GD Goenka for giving us the opportunity to present such a wonderful program. And thank you all my dear students for making it possible. It was wonderful having all of you here. We definitely wind up this program with the high tea. So all of you are requested to move to the main dining for the high tea and of course nice photographs with your friends as well as teachers. Thank you so much.